Climbing the highest mountain in the solar system would be an otherworldly experience, literally. Olympus Mons, a massive shield volcano on Mars, holds the title for the tallest known planetary mountain, standing at about 22 kilometers, 13.6 miles, high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. If you were to attempt this climb, you'd face extreme challenges, breathtaking views, and an adventure unlike anything on Earth. The ascent, a slow climb. Unlike Everest, where steep cliffs and thin air make every step grueling, Olympus Mons has very gentle slopes, averaging only 5 degrees. If you stood at the base, the summit wouldn't even be visible due to the planet's curvature. The climb would take weeks, possibly months. Given the sheer distance, you'd be trekking across more than 600 kilometers, 370 miles, from base to summit. The terrain would be mostly solidified lava, with large ridges and cracks that formed over millions of years. There'd be no technical rock climbing needed, but moving across uneven surfaces in a Mars suit would be exhausting. Challenges. The Martian environment. Mars presents a host of dangers for any climber. First, there's the lack of breathable air. You'd need a space suit and a steady oxygen supply. The gravity is only 38% of Earth's, so each step would feel lighter, but this also means falls could be dangerous due to lower friction on the surface. Temperatures on Mars are extreme, often plunging below -100 degrees Celsius, -148 degrees Fahrenheit, at night. During the day, they might rise to a more tolerable 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, but without a proper heated suit, frostbite or hypothermia would be constant threats. The thin atmosphere also provides little protection from cosmic radiation, meaning you'd be exposed to higher doses of radiation than any Earth-bound climber. Dust storms, though not as violent as in movies, could still reduce visibility and cover equipment in fine red dust. The view. A summit like no other. Reaching the summit of Olympus Mons would be an awe-inspiring moment. Standing at nearly 3 times the height of Everest, you'd be looking down at a vast volcanic landscape stretching as far as the eye can see. The edge of the mountain features a dramatic caldera, a collapsed volcanic crater roughly 80 kilometers, 50 miles wide, one of the largest in the solar system. One of the most surreal aspects would be the sky. During the day, the Martian sky appears a pale yellowish-brown due to dust in the thin atmosphere. At night, the stars would shine incredibly bright with almost no atmospheric distortion, and you might even see Phobos and Deimos, Mars's 2 small moons, passing overhead. The descent. A long journey down. Getting back down Olympus Mons would be just as challenging. While the low gravity might make it tempting to take long jumps, miscalculations could lead to injury. A controlled descent, possibly using lightweight rovers or even a Martian parachute system, might be the safest way. Once back at the base, you'd have completed the most extreme climb in human history, standing where no earthly explorer has before. Could it actually happen? A climb like this is currently impossible with today's technology, but future Mars missions might make it feasible. Rovers and drones could map safe routes, while advancements in spacesuits and oxygen supplies could make such an expedition a reality. If humans ever set foot on Olympus Mons, it would mark one of the greatest achievements in exploration. A testament to our desire to conquer new frontiers, no matter how extreme.